Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, it's time to talk about the latest news from the world of electric vehicles and automotive giants. Volvo, a Swedish carmaker known for its innovative designs and eco-friendly solutions, has just announced that it's cutting around 3,000 jobs due to a slowdown in demand for electric vehicles. That's right, folks, you heard it right, 3,000 job losses in the wake of a rapidly changing automotive landscape. The reason behind this drastic measure? A combination of factors including plunging electric car sales, geopolitical uncertainty, and rising costs. It seems that Volvo is taking a hard look at its business model to stay competitive. But what does this mean for the company's future? Well, according to Håkan Samuelsson, the newly appointed CEO, the restructuring plan aims to make Volvo structurally more efficient. This means streamlining operations, reducing overheads in areas like R&D, communication, and human resources. It's a significant step towards adapting to the new automotive landscape. The impact on the company's workforce will be felt across various departments and locations, with most of the redundancies concentrated in Gothenburg, Volvo's headquarters in Sweden. The company has also announced a one-off restructuring charge of 1.5 billion Swedish krona, which is roughly 116 million pounds. Now, some might wonder if this move is just a response to the challenges facing the automotive industry as a whole. But let me tell you, it's not just Volvo that's feeling the pinch. The entire European automotive sector is grappling with lower-than-expected sales of electric vehicles and growing concerns over U.S. trade policy. In fact, just last week, we reported on how European markets rallied as President Trump rode back on plans to impose tariffs on EU car imports. However, it seems that the threat of these tariffs remains a pressing concern for Volvo. So, what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? Well, it's clear that the industry is facing significant headwinds. But I'd like to emphasize that we're not here to write off the prospects of electric vehicles just yet. In fact, at ElectroDrive News, we believe that innovative companies like Volvo are crucial in driving the transition towards a more sustainable transportation system. And it's precisely this kind of determination and resilience that will see us through these challenging times. So, let's keep an eye on Volvo and other automotive giants as they navigate this uncertain landscape. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll look back on these challenges as a stepping stone towards a brighter, more sustainable future for electric vehicles. That's all for now. Thanks for watching ElectroDrive News.